Myself is Sanjay Bhai. I am studying class 7. Our school name is Greenland Public School. My project name is wastewater treatment plant. This is my model. We know that there is a lot of scarcity of water in the world. We can use the polluted water and change them into a drinkable purpose by this method. This is a pond. This the polluted water is pumped by a submersible pump to the receiving tanker. The receiving tanker only receives the polluted water, and then the water enters to the screening and gritting chamber. In the screening and gritting chamber, the large particles like bark of wood, plastics, bags, cans are separated through a large screen in this chamber. Then the water enters to the gritting chamber. In the gritting chamber, the water stop for some time. By the stop for some time, the last particles like stones, pebbles are settled down here. Then the water to the skimming chamber. In the skimming chamber, there is a skimmer which separates the grease and oil from the water. Then the water enters to the primary sedimental tank. In the primary sedimental tank, some fine particles like sand are separated from the water. Then the water enters to the aeration tank. In the aeration tank, there is a fan and bubbles are formed. And microorganisms are separated. Then the water enters to the secondary sedimental tank. In the secondary sedimental tank, water the fine and some small particles like pebbles are separated here. Then the water enters to the filtration tank. There are 3 layers of filtration tank: sand, stone, and gravel. The water completely filter in this tank. Then the water enters to the disinfected chamber. In the disinfected chamber, the microorganisms are killed through the chlorination is done, and distribute. Then the water enters to the distributed chamber. Through the distributed chamber, we can distribute the water from various places.